Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset or how you can connect Sensi Smart Thermostat to Wi-Fi in 2026. Now, first of all, before resetting anything, you need to make sure of one thing, that your phone is connected to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Now, most of the Sensi thermostats connect best with the 2.4 gigahertz network, and the setup problems often happen when the phone or the thermostat tries to connect with the 5 gigahertz network instead. So once you have make sure of it, you just have to simply go to the thermostat screen, and over here you just have to simply look for the option of menu, or if in your thermostat, if you see the settings section, you just have to simply select that. Now, when you are inside the main menu, you will find this particular Wi-Fi option. So you just have to simply choose this option in order to reconnect or forget the old network. On some of the Sensi models, you may also need to enter the manual setup mode before reconnecting. Now, once you have done that, you just have to simply open your Sensi application on your phone. Then you just have to tap on the plus icon in order to add your thermostat again. Now you need to also follow further on-screen instructions that will be shown on the application. Then enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Some of the Sensi thermostats display a connection code on the screen instead of using the QR code. So make sure that when you are doing this, your phone's Bluetooth, location, and the local network permissions are also enabled during the setup. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.